This party is a dagger pointed at American democracy, and we have to name that.
This is less and less about Trump now, because the infection has so fully moved inside the bloodstream of the party. Assume that it's all dangerous, that they're all dangerous until proven otherwise.
It's really turning in to this ultra MAGA party or this extreme MAGA party. These are the election deniers, the conspiracy theorists.
It's about 39% of the electorate that want to replace the U.S. government, that want to throw away American democracy.
If you think about what's happening in the Republican Party, this very much fits the pattern that we've seen in examples of this abroad, where it's continued transformation to something much more like what we have seen in places like Turkey or Italy, where the party is simply an extension of the will of the strongman.
This has been a horrific week in the sense of the threat to the rule of law. I mean, Republicans, with their violent talk, actual violence, have lit a bonfire in the threat of the rule of law.
We need to do what the United States has always done. We need to confront fascism and defeat it. So everybody that's freaking out over fascists being fascists, well, guess what? That's what fascists do.
When I followed extremists overseas, I never anticipated we would see this in America. We are. Extremists overseas in some ways have similarities to what we see in this instance. That is, they require leadership to tell them that what they're thinking is okay.
10 years ago, we'd be talking about Anwar al-Awlaki. He would make pronouncements online. He would designate targets in America, and then supporters who have no direct contact with him would try and take up violence on behalf of that cause. Now what we're seeing is our elected officials targeting institutions, federal employees, in a very similar way.